Okay, this is a gorgeous Alexa by Mulberry. It is in excellent condition throughout, and how cool is that with those studs on the flap? It's absolutely beautiful. So it has got the plaited top handle. It's also got the long strap, which is adjustable and also removable. I'm going to put it on so that you can see the size of the bag. I've got that all twisted. So the exact measurements are on the website. This will hopefully put the size of the bag into perspective. So I've got this on the longest setting. You can adjust it and make it quite a bit shorter. I'm about 5'4". I'm a UK size of 8'10". Okay, so it's a really nice everyday kind of size. So this actual bag comes with the Mulberry dust bag, and also we've got the Mulberry care document there as well. So let's talk you through the bag. So obviously we've got the postman's lock on the front, the amazing studs. So the studs go on all of the flap, which is really nice, and I love the fact that we've got both gold and silver studs. So the sort of main hardware is a pale gold. The studs are gold and silver. What I like about that is it kind of lengthens the life of the bag, so it means you can wear it with all different sorts of things. If it was just silver or just gold, it perhaps limits it slightly, but the fact there's both makes it, in my eyes, much more wearable. So we've got obviously on all of these studs, so the rivet studs, we've actually got the Mulberry logo on both of those. Obviously we've got Mulberry, which way, on the side of the buckles. I'm guessing that one. And obviously the logo on the bottom of there as well. I'll show you the back while we're at it. And let me show you the base while we're at it, if I can hold it properly. Okay. Obviously as well on the straps, the removable bit, I can't show you, but inside there you've got you've got Mulberry as well. Same on that side. So we'll open it up. So of course we've got the suede in this section, but the inside of the bag is like a cotton twill. It's absolutely beautiful fabric on the inside. The beauty of it being cotton as opposed to suede is it's a lot easier to wipe clean and keep it tidy. So we've got one zipped pocket as usual. We've got one flat pocket here. Let's show you the tag there. Now, as I said, the condition is excellent throughout. So the interior is in excellent condition. This, I don't know if you can tell, still has the protective plastic wrap on there. Hardware is all in excellent condition. Yeah, that's it. That might look a bit peculiar. It's because it's still got the plastic wrap on it. So the wrinkling you can see is the plastic wrap. Postman lock, excellent condition. So interior excellent, interior hardware excellent, and the exterior is excellent as well. I don't think the bag has ever been used. It's absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous Alexa. So there is a link to this gorgeous bag on our website in my comments below the video. So if you pop to my comments below the vid, there's a link to the website. Go and have a look. We've got all of our pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets on there. Whilst on our website, sign up to our newsletter. We will send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. Dead easy to do. You scroll to the bottom of any page on the website and there's a little box that you put your email address in. And then we will immediately send you a verification email, so you must verify that. And then we immediately send you your discount code. If for any reason you don't get those emailed through, check your spam folder. What it usually means is your security wall is too high and we can't get through. So check the spam folder if they're not through straight away, and then add us to your address book, because if we send you discount codes in the future that maybe you're not expecting, you want them in your inbox, not in your spam. So add us to your address book. Also, in my comments below this video, I have put a link to our Instagram. We would love you to come and join us on Instagram. So if you're an Instagrammer, please come and follow us on Insta. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe. We have Armcandy coming in every day and you don't want to miss it. So subscribe, set up your alerts, and then you need never miss out on your dream bag again.